Everything on this table is what I want to put on the Cleat wall. And I don't really have a plan on how I want to hang it. I think we'll just build and go. See how it goes. I'll have these hang from right here. I'd like for them to have room for the battery packs, but I don't use these very often, so I think I'll do without the batteries. Whenever I use them, I'll just put the batteries on. my chisels and screwdrivers, I really like the old pegboard system. I really like these. I'm trying to think maybe I can come up with a hybrid system, little pegboard, little cleat board. Maybe even utilize the drill holder, do something like that. Maybe some over here. I kind of like this for space saving ideas. Let's see if I can come up with something. Here's what I came up with. I bent these down with the vise. I think I'll drill some holes in the side of that, put those in, maybe run some screws here for support. Should work. We'll give it a shot. My son uses this almost every night to feed his pig. He's really bad about putting it away, so hopefully being right there will be really easy for him to grab, really easy for him to put away. We'll see. I'm really liking the way this wall's turning out. The only thing I can't figure out is I got 4 hammers that I use quite often. I either think I'm gonna hang them here or try to find a spot on the cleat wall, or maybe hang them over by Homer. Or maybe do 2 on the cleat wall, 2 by Homer, maybe 1 over by the metal fab side, so I have a hammer over there. I don't know, I'll play around, we'll see. I got one of the hammers figured out. My son made me this for Christmas a while back, and his one request with the cleat wall is that I have it front and center. So, here you go, kid. I know it seems a little silly to have 4 hammers all hanging in the same spot, but they each serve their own purpose, and I actually use them all the time. So it's really nice to have them handy. I think one thing I'd like to add is somewhere to place all of the drivers that I use very often, and drill bits. Well, I think that's it for this one. I'm super happy with the way the wall turned out. It's gonna be great. Have a bunch more storage. It's much cleaner, easy to use. I like it. Next, I think we'll do that picture frame logo. Maybe a short little video on that. And then we'll be ready to build some cool stuff.